Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on your iPhone. Okay, now you need to know that there are several methods in order to fix this issue. And the first one is to simply go to the settings of your iPhone. Then you want to go and search for software update and make sure that you have the latest update on your iPhone. After that, you want to go and open the App Store. Then you want to make sure that you have the latest update to the Authenticator app. Another solution is to simply go and open the iCloud of your phone and make sure that you have the iCloud Drive turned on and also the passwords and keychain turned on. So you have to go to iCloud, then passwords and keychain, and make sure that you have it turned on. Another solution is to simply go and open the Microsoft Authenticator and go and click on iCloud Backup and make sure that you have this option toggled on, iCloud Backup. Another thing to consider is to simply go to the settings of your iPhone, then search for apps, then go to Microsoft Authenticator and make sure that you have these two options on, camera and Face ID. So all these are methods to fix this issue. And one of them also is to go and check your internet connection. So if you are trying to use your mobile data, try to use the Wi-Fi. And if you are using the Wi-Fi, try to use the mobile data and so on. Another thing that you can actually try is to simply turn on the airplane mode, then turn it off again. After each one of these methods that I have mentioned, you should go and try if you have your Microsoft Authenticator working properly or not. Now let's jump into the next method. The next method is to simply go and open the date and time on your iPhone and make sure that you have it set it automatically. So toggle this option on. Another solution that you can actually try is to go and open the Microsoft Authenticator, then go and open your account on Microsoft Authenticator, then go and click on remove account, then click on continue, then try to sign in using the account again and add it back to your Microsoft Authenticator. This is a solution. Another solution is to go and make sure that you have the notifications enabled on your Microsoft Authenticator. So go to the settings of your iPhone, then go to notifications, then search for Microsoft Authenticator and make sure that you have this option turned on. And also this option down below it, always deliver immediately and time sensitive notifications. You have to turn these options to toggled on. Another thing to consider is to turn on the background app refresher. So you just have to search for background app refresher in the settings of your iPhone, then you should toggle this option on for the Microsoft Authenticator. Another solution that you can actually try is to try to restart your iPhone. So just simple restart can make things get better. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.